Okay, when you flip your helmet over, see this little nipple protruding through? That is for the earmuff protector. Just take the back of your screwdriver, push out, take a straight blade on the other side, and pop it out. Repeat the process on the other side. Then we are going to take the mounting clips for the earmuffs. Unscrew the mounting screw. And these are universal, it doesn't matter which side they go on. And then you line the hole up. Take your screw back on the other side. Get it lined up. Tighten that down. And repeat the process on the other side. Now once that's tight, we're going to flip this back over. Take a straight blade screwdriver in here. Just pop those out for the visor. Now those are done. Okay, the visor mounts have 3 parts each. You have a washer that we're about to lose, a screw, and a mounting clip. The mounting clips do have a designator of L and R for left and right. Additionally, you have 2 little nipples sticking out on the front part. When you look at the side, you have a threaded hole. Those 2 nipples go in these 2 holes here. Pops in, and pop the left one in. Now, the visor will go on the post here. The washer will slip over the post, and there is a slight indentation in the side of the washer that will connect with the visor clip. Once that's on, you will take the thumb screw, screw it down, and then repeat the process for the other side. It makes a slight click once it's set properly. Screw that down on either side, and then it will lock into place. There's a slight nipple sticking out here, and it locks into place when it's down and locks into place when it's up.